Oh shit, let me this beat again. Anyways, free Dime, GS9, free my nigga Toon, out here, waiting for you, bro. Free my nigga CEOs, and free all the slimes. Rest in peace, my nigga Prince, my son Gypsy. Rest in peace, my nigga Boss Dome. Boom. I remember when I was in high school, chilling with the ABK's goons. Posted up in Angela like it was nothing. Cops passing by like it was nothing. I remember it was 2008. Nothing was crazy with the cops. I wasn't worried about a fucking pig nigga. I was worried about the king niggas. Anyways, I'm out here 2017 trying to make this beat. Anybody wanna feel? Trying to make it out the field. I suggest you niggas to get the fuck out the field, cause ain't nothing but a fucking glory. Every day posting up lonely. Y'all niggas acting funny. Niggas don't care about y'all niggas, cause every day is King Killer. At the end of the day, nobody cares for you, papi. Anybody killer, anybody realer. My name is Killer, you know me. If you didn't fucking hear about me, better not act funny. Cause I pull up to your block in front of your fucking entrance with a bandana wrapped around my mouth and some killers by my side. And you know we ain't came to talk, nigga. We came to destroy your fucking whole block, nigga. I can hear my niggas calling. I can hear the rest in peace calling. I can hear the slime calling straight from the island. No worries, my niggas, y'all gonna be home soon. Hold the shit tied up, wrap up the goons. Every kid the fuck up. In the field, we do things for real. You know King Killer, every day chilling with the realers. And I don't fuck with nobody if you're not a King Killer. Forever over Latin Kings, that's my nigga folks. Anybody in the field trying to get the shit real. My name is Tony, coming from the bottom of almost F. Yeah, nigga. Rest in peace, my nigga Prince. Bones Dome. My nigga Gypsy. Free my nigga Karma. While these niggas in the army. ABK 357. Chilling with the 1 to 11. ADRK to my Bonesy K. ABK in the field all day. Orange land. Greenland. Of money. Tryna kick over like it's funny. Oh shit, let me this beat again. Anyways, free Dime, GS9, free my nigga Toon, out here, waiting for you, bro. Free my nigga CEOs, and free all the slimes. Rest in peace, my nigga Prince, my son Gypsy. Rest in peace, my nigga Boss Dome. Boom. I remember when I was in high school, chilling with the ABK's goons. Posted up in Angela like it was nothing. Cops passing by like it was nothing. I remember it was 2008. Nothing was crazy with the cops. I wasn't worried about the fucking pig nigga. I was worried about the king niggas. Anyways, I'm out here 2017 trying to make this beat. Anybody wanna feel? Trying to make it out the field. I suggest you niggas